The Las Vegas housing market setting new records once again. September's median price of more than $406,000 set a new all-time record, shattering the one set in July. But this morning, some experts now think the market could start to cool down a little bit soon. And Kelsey McFarland is live to explain this new trend we might see. Kelsey?
Kalina, good morning to you. With those housing prices setting new records, rent prices increasing, investor activity up, and supply still low, you can see the housing market is still very hot. Despite all of this, though, Las Vegas realtors believe it may cool down in the coming months. LVR President Aldo Martinez says the housing market typically starts to change with the seasons, peaking during the summer and slowing down during the fall and winter. The pandemic disrupted that pattern last year. Now, this year, he says prices are still increasing, but it's slower than previous months, suggesting we may follow the national trend of stabilizing. The local housing supply is still low right now, but Martinez says at least it stopped shrinking. September marks the 8th month in a row with more homes available than the previous month. I talked with the vice president of Sundae, a marketplace for sellers of distressed or dated homes or sellers who don't want to bother with the inconvenience of showings or repairs. He says it's still very much a seller's market, but to be careful of investors who may be trying to take advantage.
Of all the transactions that are happening in Las Vegas right now, in terms of home sales, 30% of those are cash. That is one of the highest percentages in the country, meaning there's a lot of investors and a lot of wholesalers out there that make their money by paying the seller as little as possible.
Bildman says if you are the seller, take a close look at the contract. If it's an assignable contract, they may just sign the contract and immediately sell it off for a big markup. An investor may also get the property under contract, and once they have you hooked, they renegotiate for a lower price, blaming it on the need for repairs. Now, with house prices jumping up, we're also seeing the sales of townhomes and condos going up. People looking for more affordable options, but that median price has also hit an all-time high, hitting $230,000. Reporting live, I'm Kelsey McFarland, 13 Action News.